getting to the issue of whether dead people can hear, and she mentions an incident of in the Battle of Uhud.
Badr. In the Battle of Badr.
Okay, Badr, to indicate this.
Well, to make a long story short, dead people do not hear. And the evidence behind this is in the Quran, where Allah says to His Prophet ﷺ that you are unable to make the dead hear you, especially those who are in the grave. So they do not hear you, first of all. Second of all, this hadith that the sister mentioned of the dead people of Quraysh when they died in battle fighting the Muslims, and they were thrown in this well and they were buried in this well. The Prophet ﷺ went to that well 3 days or 2 days afterwards and said, "O Utbah ibn Rabi'a, O Shayba ibn Rabi'a, O Amr ibn Hisham, O so and so," and he started calling them by name, telling them that we as Muslims have faced and found what Allah Azza wa Jal has promised us, that is victory. Now, have you found what Allah Azza wa Jal promised you, that is punishment? So Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, came to the Prophet ﷺ. He was astonished. He said, "Prophet ﷺ, you're talking to dead people," which means that dead people don't hear. So what are you doing? So the Prophet didn't tell him, "Oh, Umar, dead people do hear. You're mistaken." No, he did not. He told him, "I know, Umar, but Allah Azza wa Jal made them hear what I'm saying. They hear me as you hear me." Only those people who the Prophet ﷺ was talking and addressing to, and it was as a form as punishment. And the scholars say that dead people don't hear. Even the Prophet ﷺ, though he is dead, he is buried in his grave, he doesn't hear what's going on. And the evidence behind that, or that supports that, is the very authentic hadith, the mutawatir hadith, where the Prophet says, ﷺ, "I'll be the first one to go to Al-Hawd," where the people in paradise go to drink from it, which is Al-Kawthar. And while I'm there, people from my nation, from my followers, come to drink from it, but the angels prevent them, and they, shoo them away. So I say, "Oh Allah, these are my people. What's going on?" So Allah Azza wa Jal tells him that you do not know what they have innovated after you. Which means that the Prophet, while being dead, does not know what is going on in this world. And this is normal because he's a human being. He is in paradise. So the Prophet says, "Damn it to those who have innovated after me." So the dead do not hear. The Battle of Badr was an exception given to the Prophet ﷺ, as it is an exception to a dead person once he is buried. When a person dies, he doesn't feel the people washing him, wrapping him, praying funeral prayer on him, carrying him, and putting him in the grave. He does not feel a thing. The minute they put the sand over him and they start leaving the graveyard, he only hears their flip-flops and their steps going out from the graveyard.